Hello guys! Good morning! Today, bibiyahe ulit kami papuntang Leyte. Magbabakasyon kami since mahaba yung holiday ngayon dahil national holiday, tas marami pang mga holiday. So, nagdesisyon kami na babakasyon ulit. Kaya, ito guys, we are ready, packed, settled, and prepare. So, samahan niyo ulit kami sa aming Season 2 Tabango Leyte Vacation.
Number 6! Birthday na ko! 6! Tara! Tara! Mama!
Where are you going, man?
Maganda lady again.
Again?
What are you doing? What are you going to do there?
Oh, na.
Hello guys, here we are. It's the entrance. Time check is 1:05. So, papasok na kami for check-in. Tara, samahan niyo kami.
Hey, excuse.
Papa. Papa.
Ano lang?
Kasi hassle na.
Wala na akong electronics at saka gadgets. Battery at saka mga bata. Wala. Where are you going?
Tabango lady.
Mga dito.
Hello guys! Dito na kami sa loob ng airport. Nakapag-boarding na kami. So, ito na nga kami. We're just waiting. Naghihintay ng 4 p.m. Kasi yun yung boarding time na. So, ayan. Hihintay muna kami.
Ang gamit naman.
You mean some mouth.
You look for number 58. It's on the last. Number 58. Sa dulo tayo, guys. Dali, dali.
Where's 58?
Wala tayo nabili, no?
Wala na. Butang man dito sa kuan. Sa... Come on. There. You look for number 58.
Last row po.
Yes po. ABC. Here.
This one. Ha? Hindi na. Pick up.
Ito na.
Dalawa.
Ay, ABC pa po. Hi! So, ito na kami sa loob ng aeroplano. Nasa dulo kami. Seat number 58 ABC. Kaming tatlo. As usual, nasa window na naman yung lady boss namin. Kami. Lagi ako nasa gitna. Nasa loob na kami ng airplane.
And you're not listening to me.
Waiting na kami, guys. Inside the airplane. Diba na kong Vicks, guys. Kasi parang sumama yung pakiramdam ko kanina. Hindi ko alam kung dahil late kami nakakain. Kaya ito ngayon, hindi pa kasi nawawala yung yung nalay ng leeg ko at sakit ng ulo.
Push the ends together to tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, belt buckle and pull. To unfasten, still lanyards are found under your seats. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push ends to buckle. Immediately grab the aircraft oxygen mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Cabin crew, doors to disarm.
Cabin crew disarm slides. Cross-check and report back seat. Passengers seated at row 21 to 22, you may retrieve your carry-on baggage and prepare for disembarkation. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. We hope you enjoyed your flight and we look forward in seeing you again soon. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Good evening.
Alago. Ah, magawas na. Magawas. Ayla.
Daw.
We've just landed, we just arrived guys. So, eto na kami ngayon sa Tacloban, Daniel Z. Romualdez Airport. Naghihintay kami sa aming sundo kasi hindi nakapasok.
Dito! 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 Dito si... Dito si... Dito si... Dito si... Sige, 5 pati mo buwas.
Please, Lolo, please. Yan, Tito Sip? Ha? Tito Sip? Asa naman ta? Ha?
Bago lady.
Tapos ng ulitin. Ikaw man lang kung nila kayo, siguro marunong tayo.